We are about to get some rain. Hey everybody, we are about to get some rain. I'm outside finishing up some chores. That tropical storm remnant is getting ready to hit us and water my garden for me. Hopefully just for a few days worth of rain, not like a whole year. So we'll see how that goes. An exciting development from this week is these guys are outside. 15 of them I kept, and I've been letting them out in their fenced-in area, and they're doing wonderful, putting themselves away at night because of that light in there. So if you haven't tried that, I'd really recommend that you do. It makes life so much better. There's hope. This would be a lap turkey if he could. He likes to be petted. A space invader as well. Sometimes you just find things that are game changers. This plucker is it. Are you ready for this week's thrifty tip? It has to do with that plucker I was just showing you. We raised our first bigger batch of meat chickens several years ago, and it was butchering day. We started at 8 in the morning, and it took us all the way until like 5 that afternoon. And this was all the kids and Steve and I to get 20 of those meat birds butchered. It was a disaster. We tried using this drill plucker that we made, and that wasn't working, and we weren't getting the skull right. It was terrible. And we were still staring at like 20 or 30 more of those moving around in that pen. We were just completely overwhelmed. Well, we decided to start looking for a plucker because we knew they were hundreds of dollars, but we started looking on Craigslist. And would you believe the very next morning someone listed it's a stand plucker that you saw for $100 on Craigslist. And it turns out they were just selling stuff off. They were getting ready to move and they needed to get some stuff out. They were going to take that, and they changed their mind. So I was like, please hold it. We're on our way right now. And we got that plucker, and that thing has been wonderful. It has really helped out, made things so much easier. So the thrifty tip is it's garage sale time. It's clean out time. People are moving stuff. They're getting rid of it. But don't just run out and find, buy every good deal that you find, because that wouldn't be thrifty. But have in your mind a list of things that you're looking for this year so that you can shop with a purpose. And look on Craigslist, look on the Facebook pages, whatever sale pages you might have in your area. But check out those garage sales too, because you can find some great deals there. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Happy garage sailing.